Hola, Luquinhas. How you doing, little guy? How you doing, little guy, yeah? Bom dia. Good morning to you. How are things? Say hi to your cousins, to your mama. There you go. Yeah. I know. We're very active. Ooh, that was a good one. Do that again. There, go the full frontal bend. Baby yoga. There you go. There you go. And up again. Good one. Aha. Aha. Aha.
Ha 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 ha. Esse menininho é muito bonitinho. Ele é muito bonitinho.
Okay. Now, try and eat the chair again. Let's go for the chair. Yeah. Eat it. Eat it. Put it in your mouth and eat it.